All right, you see the title in the thumbnail, and we got chicken on the menu today, but we're gonna make it savory. I'm gonna show you guys how to make this black pepper chicken with mushrooms. Man, you're gonna love this one. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown of our ingredients. Back here we have some boneless chicken breasts, and I cut them in a little bit larger than bite-sized pieces. Back here we have our mushrooms, chicken broth, sliced onions, a sliced red bell pepper, seasoned salt, honey, black pepper, cornstarch, soy sauce, chopped garlic, oyster sauce, rice wine vinegar, and we have some vegetable oil here. So that's all you need. Let's jump into it. So the first thing we're gonna start with is seasoning our chicken. So we're gonna take our cornstarch, we're gonna add it to our chicken like this. Next, our black pepper and our seasoned salt. And we're gonna go in with our hands and get this mixed up. All right, guys, so we're gonna sit this aside and head over to our cooktop. All right, so now we're gonna heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, bring that up to temperature over a medium-high heat. All right, so once that pan heats up, we're gonna add our chicken. And of course, you're gonna have to probably cook these babies in batches because you don't wanna overcrowd the pan. We're gonna cook about 2 or 3 minutes per side until they're cooked all the way through. All right, so we're finishing up its first batch. We're gonna go ahead and get these babies removed. I'm gonna put them here in a bowl, let those juices run through it while we finish up our next batch, all right? And once we finish all our chicken, we're gonna come back and continue. All right, so we're finishing up that last batch. We're gonna add it right here to this bowl that I have. Pause our heat just for a minute. Guys, look at that chicken there. Look at that, beautifully brown and golden. Now we're gonna unpause our heat, heat up the remaining of our vegetable oil. We're gonna add our onions, our red peppers, and we're gonna saute these for about 2 to 3 minutes until they're softened. You wanna turn your heat down. You wanna do this over medium heat. All right, so after that 2 to 3 minutes, we're gonna add our mushrooms. And we're gonna cook these the next 3 or 4 minutes until they're tender and golden. And after that first minute and a half, you're gonna go in with your garlic. And you're gonna continue to cook this until that 3 to 4 minutes is up. And those mushrooms are like you want it. You got that garlic fragrance. All right, so it looks like we're good. It's about 4 minutes in. We're gonna pause our heat real quick. We're gonna head over to our cutting board, prepare our sauce, and then we're gonna come back to our cooktop. All right, so we're gonna grab a clean bowl and we're gonna add our chicken broth here, our black pepper, oyster sauce, rice wine vinegar, soy sauce, and our honey. And we're just gonna get at a mix like this. All right, we're gonna move this aside. Let's head back over to our cooktop and continue. All right, so now we're gonna unpause our heat. We're gonna add our sauce right here to our pan. We're gonna get it mixed in a little bit. Now we're gonna come back and reintroduce our chicken to the pan. And we're gonna get this baby coated in here like this. Once that mixture starts to kind of heat up and slightly simmer, you want to take 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and 2 teaspoons of water and make a slurry. And we're going to add our slurry here. And we're going to cook this for about an additional minute to allow that sauce to thicken up. All right, so it looks like we are good. That sauce has thickened. We're about a minute in. We're gonna pause. We're gonna turn our heat off. Give it one final mix. Man, this looks good. Head over to our cutting board and do our final presentation. Guys, and there you have it. Black pepper chicken with mushrooms. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control so we can do a quick taste test. All right, guys, it's quality control time. We're gonna go ahead and jump into it. You already know we gotta bring what we made to the front of the congregation. Take a look at that. Oh, man. Man, we ain't gonna waste no time either. Woo. Man, this thing looking savory. Oh, man. Oh, man. Listen, that sauce is on point. And listen, I already heard somebody say, well, what you gonna eat it with? You can eat it with rice, put it over some noodles, or you can eat it just like this. It's your choice, man. It doesn't matter. It's good. Me, personally, I can eat it just like this. But I got some rice in the refrigerator, so I'm gonna heat that rice up, toss this over, and I'm gonna make it a meal for lunch. So guys, definitely add this one to your list of recipes to make. So until then, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. Him just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace. Oh man. Oh man.